digital keys. We have HashLand token airdrop here currently ongoing on CoinMarketCap CMC. So you can see the token price is about 356, it's down by 11% as of recording. So about this on a 24-hour volume scale. So you can toggle up to see for a larger scale. You can check out for 1 month interval to see. It's currently okay. You can see it has gotten highs of $770. That's the highs it has gotten lows of $306 for the past 1 year. I think this is how the coin has been. So it's on the watch list of about 1,500,000. There are lots of users, guys, trying to participate on this airdrop. It's currently ranked at 3006 on CMC, guys. So the thing now is that first step, you need to add it to your watch list. That's the first step. So HashLand coin has been added to our watch list successfully. The market data is tracked, so you can see the total circulating supply and more. Although some of them are still not verified, but I'll be leaving a link to this place so you can check it out. This is the official website, hashland.com. So you can go check out the official website to read more on this project, to see if it's something you want to be a part of, if something you want to be a part of. Now the thing about this project is that I think it's currently part of the metaverse project. It currently has tags of metaverse tags, it has metaverse tags and more. But I'm gonna go over to show you guys the steps so you guys can see the steps on how to participate. But that's the official website for you to check out for those looking, as well as the official Telegram group and support channels, social media channels you can check out for any questions you have. So it says here, to participate on this airdrop, you currently have 12 days remaining. To participate in the HashLand airdrop, you get up to 0.08 HC. So you are getting about 0.08 HC. 1 HC is currently worth about $300, $356. So if you divide that by this value, you should get the value of the airdrop. You should get the amount, the value of the airdrop that you're getting off. So let's see. I'm going to try and use my calculator here. 356 divided by 0.08. That should give you about, I think that should give you the figure. So airdrop is going to be ending by December 10th. As written here, it's going to end by 12 days time, December 10th, and they're giving out 250 HC tokens to 3,000 winners. So for participating levels, so first step, what is hashtag? The synthesizer of digital ownership and foundational assets. So that's the definition. It says explore more about the game here. So you check out the Medium article. It says what you can do with HashLand token. Then tags to complete. The tags are here. Add it to your watch list. Follow them on Twitter. Join their Discord channel, Telegram group. Join the Telegram channel. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. They'll feed the airdrop form. So guys, those are just the steps. So guys, for the bonus tip is that you try and be active on this platform. Just try and be active on this platform. Once you're active on this platform, you can also retweet while retweeting the pin post. You can retweet as much posts that have been done by HashLand on Twitter page. You can retweet as much as possible. Why the particular post that you are told to retweet and tag at least 5 of your friends. You can tag more than 5, you can tag up to 10, 20. This should increase your chances of being selected. You just need to be an active follower, and hopefully you get noticed and you get picked. So guys, I hope this update is helpful. I hope it's beneficial. One love, peace out, see you in a future upload, and stay safe, guys.